Hey guys, hope you're having a great day today. I know I am. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick video on how to root the Pixel and Pixel XL. Now this does work with the Google Nexus 6P, Samsung phones, Google Pixel 2 and the 2 XL, and etc. There's a whole bunch of devices that are supported with this root toolkit, so you can go ahead and go to the website in the description. Go check if your device is available and what version it can run on. So I'm going to provide the link down below. Just go ahead and click on it and go see what kind of phone you have. So it's basically all for the Samsung Nexus, Samsung Nexus, and yeah, that's it. Just Samsung Nexus. So sorry about the other users, but this is only for Samsung and Nexus. So we're going to be rooting the Pixel XL and the Pixel, we're just going to focus on the Pixel 2, the Pixel 2 XL, and the Pixel XL. So go ahead on this website and you can see that we're running on the Pixel. So we're just going to find it here. As it says, if anybody has a Nexus 6P, the latest update for it is going to give you the Marshmallow 6.0, and then you can update to the 7.1.2. And of course, you can go ahead and you can upgrade to the Android 8.0. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and just make sure our device is on here so I can show you. So here it is, Google Pixel and Pixel XL. So that's the one we want to focus on today. As you guys can see, latest build 7.1.2, and that's it. So you're going to come to this website, you're going to see the downloads on top here. Unified Android toolkit, sorry. So that's the one you guys are going to want to click on, and it's going to bring you to this page, latest build 1.7.1. Go ahead and just scroll down a bit, and you will see download Unified Android Toolkit. So go ahead and click that. It's going to roll you through the setup. Really simple, guys, not hard at all. So as you guys can see, it's running the exe. Don't worry, guys, it's very safe. I already have it on my computer, so I'm not going to download it. It's just going to download in your downloads here. You guys are probably on Chrome, so it'll download right here. Go ahead and click it, run the exe, and it's going to come up with this page right here. So I'm just going to type it in right here, and it's going to ask you for permission. Just go ahead and accept it, and this is what you guys are going to have. So here we are, the toolkit 1.71, latest build. Just go ahead and press next, and make sure it's on your wherever you want it. You can browse it and put it on your desktop or in your documents, like what I've done. So I'm going to go ahead next, and make sure you are running a fresh installation. Since I've already done this, I'm going to do I'm going to do it fresh just to show you guys how it's done. But if you guys have already done this program, just go ahead and press upgrade. It doesn't really make a difference, but you don't want to lose your downloaded files that you have currently done in the past. So I'm going to do fresh because I don't care about my files right now, and I'm not really rooting right now, but I'm showing you guys how to root. So we're going to press fresh, and we're going to press next. It's going to come up the cmd command. Just give it a second, and it's going to unpack the files, whatever is new. It's going to put in there the drivers and everything it's going to download. So just give it a second here, guys. It is going to ask if you want to follow on Twitter. Just press no thanks, but if you guys do, just give him some support. That'd be great. So press no thanks if you don't want to follow him on Twitter. Press next, and make sure that is ticked so it automatically runs now. So close, and it's going to run. So here we are, guys. I hope you guys have your Pixel or your whatever device that was supported. You can go back to the website and just see if your device is supported, as it shows right here also, if you guys want to see. Nexus 4 and all these other phones. So I'm here on the Pixel XL right here, so I would click 08. Now if you have a Pixel, just a regular Pixel or the Pixel XL, you click 07 or 08. So I'm going to click 08 because I have the Pixel XL, and you just click enter. It's going to download the toolkit mod files, all the updates, just to make sure everything is verifying correctly, no corruptions, and etc. So as you guys can see, checking needed files are present and up to date. So it's going to download everything in there. And the Super SU, it's going to download all the root files. So just give that a minute, ADB. Now, I am going to roll you guys through the ADB on your phone. So go on your phone right now. If you guys don't know how to do this already, most of you probably already know how to do it. Go ahead and go to your settings. This works with Marshmallow, Nougat, and Oreo right now. So go to your settings, go to System, and go to About Phone. Go and find build number. Just tap it 10 times until it says you're in the Developer Options. Go ahead and go back, press Developer Options, and simply press USB debugging. That's what you want to enable so you get the ADB drivers correctly, so you don't have any corruptions while you're rooting. And go ahead and click OEM Unlock in Developer Options, because you are going to need to unlock your bootloader, so you're going to have to go and do that. OEM Unlocking. You should see it in Developer Options. You can't miss it. It should be on the top where memory and everything is. So just go ahead and enable that and just put your device to the side. So now we're back on the computer, and it says auto update feature is available in professional version. Okay, doesn't matter. Press any key to continue, so I'll just press spacebar, and here we are. Now it's going to give you all the latest builds for your current device that first came out. So as we see, we don't have Oreo yet, but that's okay. We will be getting Oreo after we are done this. So Android 7.1.2, that's the one we want. We want the latest one with NKG47L. So now that's the latest one right here. Whichever one you are with, the carrier. So I'm with Rogers, so I would pick that, or T-Mobile, whichever one you guys are with. You could pick the regular one if you don't have a carrier, or you can just pick the ones that you have, like Verizon and all that. Just pick the one you guys are, the ones you have, sorry. So there is no corruption. So I'm with Rogers. I would go ahead and pick the latest one, 35, and click enter. It's going to go ahead and check the files, skipping download server if available. Don't worry, it's all normal, guys. There's going to be no corruptions. Make sure you have a decent connection for speed for the internet, because this really focuses on internet speed to download everything, and it just makes the process go faster. So it's downloading the TWRP Recovery latest build RC1. Now this RC1 is for the Pixel devices. If you are on Nexus, I think it's something different. I think it's just TWRP. I don't think there's an RC1, but that's it. So now we are on here, and we're going to pick a selection, whichever one you guys want. We're going to be rooting, but if you guys are factory resetting your device with stock image, you're going to have to press 9 and get the stock image flash file. So just click 9, and it'll ask you to download the file. Click 1, and it should go through the process. Really simple, guys, for that one. Now we want to install the root. So we would click 4. So let's go ahead and click 4. And we are going to pick one. So we want to unlock our bootloader first. So we're going to go ahead and find the one that says unlock bootloader. So unlock if you need root devices install BusyBox. So no, that's not the one. We want unlock and root device. So here we go, guys, unlock. So that means it's going to be unlocking the bootloader and rooting your device at the same time. That's what we want. So we can go ahead and click 1. And it's going to ask you to install zip flash, push zip to device, or do it automatically using the script in TWRP Recovery. So that's what we would do. Recovery flash manually. Okay, actually, that is disabled because you need the full version. I'm sorry, guys. But if you have the full version, you should be able to do that one. It would do it automatically. But we would have to do it manually. It's really simple, guys, to do it manually to get TWRP, so it's really easy. So we'd make our choice, just click 1, and we would flash the, let's see here, flash zip after routing, recommended May 27th. Okay, so we'd click number 1 because this is the latest one, as you guys can see right here. So we'd click 1, and it is going to go ahead and do its stuff. So have you already unlocked the bootloader on your device? Yes or no? So we're going to press no because we haven't yet done it. And it's going to ask us to unlock it. So you're going to plug in your device right now, guys. Go ahead and get your USB Type-C to the USB. So plug that into your computer right now. Plug it into your device. And put your device into recovery modes. So if you guys don't know how to do that, simple on the Pixel devices, just hold the power button, power it off, and once it's powered off, power it back on, but hold the volume down button while you're powering it on, and it should come up with the recovery. So just leave that aside. Once that's on, leave it aside, plug the device in, and we can go ahead and press start. So there we go, guys. Now my device is not plugged in, but I will roll you guys through, don't worry. Are you ready to start? Yes, of course. My device is not plugged in, but it is going to ask you to unlock the bootloader on your phone right now. So as you guys can see, it's taking some time because it thinks that my device is plugged in, but it's not. So it's just trying to see if my device is plugged in. So of course your device is going to be plugged in, so this is actually going to be showing on your screen to asking if you want to unlock your bootloader, and you're going to go ahead and use the scroll wheeled volume buttons to enable the OEM unlocking your bootloader. Now I do suggest make a backup because I don't think you guys are going to want to lose all your data and stuff. This will wipe your whole device, so make a backup before any of this. But if you don't care about your backups or whatever and everything's stored in the cloud, go ahead and factory reset it. As me, I don't really make backups because I just keep stock apps and stuff, so it's okay. So yeah, device not detected. So it's going to ask you to unlock it. So once you've done that, it's going to reboot your device, and you are going to have the stock. Your device is going to be wiped and reset, but also unlocked. So now you have it unlocked. You're going to come back to this unified root toolkit. So I'm going to just abort this. So I'm going to press A, and we are going to go back to the page where it said our devices. So we're just going to wait here. Go back to the main menu, and here we go, guys. This is where you guys want to be after your device has been reset and unlocked. So go ahead and do the same process after your device has been reset. To unlock your developer options, simply go to settings, system, about phone, tap build number 10 times. It's going to ask you developer options, and go ahead and you will see your OEM unlocked official. Don't play with that. Just go ahead and enable USB debugging. After that's done, put your device back into recovery mode as simple. Power it off, and then wait till it's powered off. Once it's powered off, power it on with the volume down key, and it's going to put you into recovery mode. Plug your device back into the computer, and now we are going to install our TWRP recovery so we can have our root and our super SU. So when you're back on here and your device is plugged in, go ahead and flash a recovery. So we're going to click 6 because we want the TWRP. Now, I really recommend TWRP instead of CMW because it doesn't have as much. CWM, sorry. And I just find TWRP is a lot better. So we're going to go ahead and click 6. And it's going to ask us clockwork recover. No, we do not want that. We want flash TWRP recovery latest build RC1. So we're going to go ahead and press 3. And it is going to flash. It's going to say, are you ready? Make sure your device is plugged in and press yes. It's going to go ahead and download the TWRP. It's going to wait for your ADB mode. And it is going to automatically install TWRP. and that's it. Once TWRP's installed on there, that's basically it, guys. You are set and ready to go to install some custom ROMs and Super SU. I will put Super SU in the description down below so you guys have the latest build for your Pixel. I hope this did help you guys out. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you need any help, I will put my Skype and Discord down below. Hope you guys did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and have a great day, guys.